my grandson, who you guys see in a lot of the videos with the shorts. And I do a lot of videos about teaching them young. I started out when he was, I think, 18 months old in the garden. So now he's going to help me here with the tomatoes. So we got the tomatoes picked and we're going to clean them. Huh? Want to tell everybody hi? Can you say hi? Can you say it louder? Say hi. Yeah. Can you tell me you're doing tomatoes? So I did this with my kids when they were young. My oldest is 42 and then I have a 30-year-old and they started out. Now my daughter is starting a garden and canning herself. So with these tomatoes here, we're going to make lots of salsa, aren't we? We got to make salsa. So right now I just picked 2 5-gallon buckets of the Roman tomatoes. I've already gotten 5-gallon buckets of tomatoes and I still have a bunch out there. So what we do, we put them in this water, clean them, and then transfer them over to here. And somebody likes to make a big splash, huh? Do you see yourself on there? Yeah? So, so hopefully we'll see how long he'll do this for me, because I have another 5-gallon bucket full, huh? Yeah. So I let Zeke help me with canning. You guys, they might be in the way. It might take you 5 times as long, but you know what? That's okay, because that's only going to happen one time in their lifetime. Huh? Do you see yourself? Yeah? So they're, you know, teach them where their food comes from. Zeke's baby food when he was young, I got all his baby food out of the garden and pureed it up and canned it, from green beans, the peas, the different fruits. Huh? Oh, you want to show them what you got there? Here. Here. Show them. Say, this is pear sauce, isn't it? Say, we did some pears. Tell them how yum yum it is. Ready? I can't see this way. Uh-oh. 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 Let Grandma wipe it off. Grandma's messy. Grandma's messy. Huh. Okay, go ahead. Show them how you can eat. Ready? Ready? Grandma will do this backwards. So Zeke has, ever since he was started on foods, I can't see. Is that good? Huh? He's eating our homemade pear sauce, huh? Yum, yum, yum. Can you tell him? Yum, yum, yum. So what? It's messy. That's what rags are for. All right, guys. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-byes.
Bye-bye.
Say love you, Mommy.
Love you, Daddy.
Say love you, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Throw him a kiss.
Yeah.
No, you gotta throw him a kiss. Mwah. Yep. All right. Take care.